Hi, Hans here, Harbor Freight Mini Mill CNC project. I'm going to do a short video here of the modifications to the column. I just wanted to show how I'm doing this cutting and chamfering on the inside edge. So you can see I have the dovetail cutter inside the column, and I'll try to sneak the camera in here. You can see those ribs that I'll be taking out. So I'll go ahead and I'll just cut one with the video rolling, and then I'll finish it up. I already took one out, so you can see the next one right over here. So I'm gonna feed the mill over there. It is cutting. Okay, hard to see, but I've shaved off another one of the ribs. There's one more back there to get. And of course they're on both sides. That's all for this video. Thanks for listening.